So I'm Alison Delaney, the author of Little Chick Has Lunch on the Moon and the founder of Little Chick's Life Lessons, which is an education programme for UK primary school children and teachers. And today it's been a thrill to come and join Farrington's primary school in order to deliver some of that programme. During the exercises, the children get to read the book, which is about having lunch on the moon, and encourages them to really explore their dreams and aspirations without limitations. At the back of the book, there's an opportunity for them to capture those dreams so that they can refer back to them as they get to keep the book and take it home and have continued conversations in their family networks. We're thrilled to be able to do this with the schools because they also are able to give back. So there's part of the workshop where they complete a postcard sharing a motivational message to a child that's maybe less fortunate than them, and that postcard goes in a book that is then delivered to those children. So Farrington School, thank you so much for the engagement, for the passion, for the amazing dreams and aspirations that you've shared, but also making a difference by giving back to others.